As the Israel-Hamas conflict enters its seventh month, Israel has recently made substantial shifts to its military deployment, signaling intentions to wage new military operations. Triggered by the Israel-Hamas conflict since October 7, 2023, deadly confrontations have erupted in multiple countries across the Middle East. Analysts have suggested that the conflict in the Middle East are unlikely to be resolved in the short term due to the deep-rooted divisions between Israel and regional powers such as Hamas, Hezbollah, and the Houthis. Additionally, countries like the United States have not been effective in facilitating a ceasefire, which further exacerbates the situation. Last week, Israel killed 7 Iranians in a missile strike on the consular section of the Iranian embassy in the Syrian capital Damascus, igniting a fresh round of escalation in the regional situation.
We are now in front of the Iranian embassy in the capital Damascus. Today afternoon, an Israeli missile attack hit the consulate part of the embassy, destroying it completely.
Following the attack, Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei vowed that the country would take countermeasures and inflict a regret-inducing punishment on Israel for its criminal attack. The spillover of the Israel-Hamas conflict is reverberating throughout the region, resulting in significant humanitarian crisis and substantial economic losses.
Until now, more than 33,000 of Palestinian people were killed by the ongoing Israeli airstrikes. Most of them were children and women, according to official data issued by the Palestinian Health Ministry here in Gaza. Meanwhile, more than 80% of the Palestinian facility and buildings in the whole coastal enclave were completely or partially destroyed by the Israeli army.
ومعي بكف كتر حرب عمرنا في الحياة ما شفنا حرب زي الحرب قرانيا وهذيك اللي كانوا يحاربوا مع بعض سنتين ما عملوش فيهم زي ما عملوا فينا قتلوا اولادنا وقتلوا وهدموا دورنا وما خلوناش حاجة في الدنيا كلها ظلمونا والله ظلمونا كتير ايش نسوي يعني في هالحياة معي اولادنا اللي راحوا معي دورنا اللي راحت صارت بمسوات الارض وين قاعدين جوز راح وجوز بنت راح وجوز بنت راح كلهم راحوا ولادنا وولاد عائلتنا كلها ايش نسوي يعني في هالحياه اكثر من هيك راح الطاقه مش سايعه يا بنت.
نعيش اجواء رمضان زي باقي شعوب العالم، لكن للاسف حياتنا صعبه جدا وحياه الشعب الفلسطيني كلها صعبه جدا. فنسال الله ان شاء الله ربنا يهدي البال، ترجع الناس لبيوتها، وان شاء الله ربنا يعيد علينا رمضان واحنا في احسن حال ان شاء الله.
UN Food and Agriculture Organization said in a recent report that as of February 7th, the entire 2.2 million population in Gaza is facing high levels of acute food insecurity. The international community has made diverse efforts to help restore peace in the region. After being repeatedly vetoed by the U.S., the UN Security Council finally passed a resolution in late March demanding an immediate ceasefire in the coastal enclave. On Sunday, delegates from Hamas and Israel met in Cairo to discuss a ceasefire and a hostage for prisoner swap deal with mediation from countries including Egypt and Qatar. Despite ongoing diplomatic endeavors, analysts say the path to peace in the region remains fraught with challenges.